para ako. Look at that, someone is there. Hi guys, good morning, good morning. Look at my color. I'm so morena. I'm happy. The first time in a long time na ganito yung aking kulay. So today, mag-stretching ako. Then, kain kami ng breakfast. Wala akong ginawa dito kundi kumain. At magkalat. At maging lazy, at gumala. Happy.
Hi, morning.
We're going to eat breakfast today. Again, di pa kami nagbabayad actually. I don't know what he said. She said, elevator. Gusto ko yung hotel namin dito. It's very nice. Uy, may... Guys, dito kami sa elevator. Outfit check. Naka-sports ako. Kasi, di ba? Ganun talaga. Guys, kain tayo ng breakfast. I have egg and sausage. I have fruits and bread. I have hot chocolate. And I have apple juice. So, let's go. Let's eat, Bobby. And Bob has, what's that? Tell them.
Bacon, beans,
Sausage.
turkey sausage,
And scrambled egg.
scrambled.
And he has cappuccino.
Chino and croissants.
Sanchez. Sanchez. That's it, guys. Second bread. Second bread niya.
Sarap ang cappuccino ko naman.
Cheers. Guys, for sure, nag-gain ako ng weight. So, magsa-second round ka pa. Second round. Hi guys. Ito kami sa lounge ng hotel. Mag-book ng thumbnail. And si Bob ay nag-rear na. Thank God. Nag-relax siya sa buong buhay niya. Nagtatry ako magpasalon today. And I don't know if what time. I think it's 1 o'clock. It's already 12:15 ng tanghali. Wala kaming ganong plans ngayon. Mamaya after ko magpasalon, parang may pupunta na tayo lighthouse, no? And then going home. So, yun. And then, kakain kami ng lunch. I don't know what time we're going to eat lunch because I need to be at the salon at around 1 o'clock. But ang salon is sa likod lang ng camera na to. So, naghahantay lang talaga ako. May salon dito sa lounge. Kaya pwede ako makapagpasalon. I'm trying to color my hair, to dye my hair, and new hairstyle. I don't know how, but I'm gonna try my best na makapag layered thing ng so let's see. So gumagawa ko ng campaign. I have my their juice of the day, but it's finished. So let's see. Guys, bababa na ako. Makit kami ni Ba para ilagay dun lahat ng aming gamit. Kasi si Bob tatambay sa gilid ng pool. And then ako, pupunta ako sa salon. Pwede kang bumaba dyan actually. Si Bob dun bababa. Actually, dyan na rin ako bababa. Kasi ang tagal ng elevator. So, 4th floor kami. Pwede naman akong bumaba dito. Doesn't matter for me. So guys, nag-try ako ditong magpa-salon and look at my hair. It's very nice and I have my a manicure also with. I'm happy because it's not so expensive. Something that I'm looking forward to have my self-love thingy. I love it. Thank you guys. Thank you. So guys, super satisfied ako. Kaya bibigyan ko sila ng tip at chocolates. Look at my hair, para akong bagong-bago. So happy. So guys, nandito kami ngayon sa Santa Marta Lighthouse. So, this is my original plan yesterday, actually. We'll see the museum here. This, nasan kami? Guys, pero pakita ko muna sa inyo yung nails ko. So happy. Like, this is Bobby's outfit for the day. And this is mine. So we're going to the lighthouse. I don't know where, but I'm vlogging. And kailangan naming mag-dinner and lunch today. So my salon is very nice. So I give a tip. 20 euros and 2 chocolates. And they are very happy. They're very appreciative. I'm very happy with them. Very cool, very nice. I would love it. So let's see how the lighthouse is. Guys, this is the lighthouse entrance museum. But because... So guys, ginagawa yung lighthouse. Nagawa siya. So, ito yung view from the lighthouse. Oh my god, a lot of rocks. Big rocks. No? Mm-hmm. Oh my god. It's amazing. Yeah. Yung lighthouse.
Yeah, go under construction.
Yeah, under construction. So, wala tayong makikita, guys. Hindi tayo makakaakyat. But that's okay. So we're going and heading to the what is that?
The Mount Devil.
Mount Devil. So guys, we're going to 12 minutes there at the Devil's Mouth. Ngagoy Lighthouse, guys. Ayun, no? So, kaya maglalakad tayo. Napakainit. Do we have the sunscreen, right? I think I have a sunscreen. I don't know, but okay. Okay, guys. Ang ganda ng buhok ko. I feel like I renew. Look at that. Ang ganda. So, ayan na po ang nilalakaran natin para makita nyo. Mainit kung tatanungin nyo. Yung 21 degrees nila, it's like 30 degrees in the Philippines, you think?
Yeah.
Because dito, ano yung araw? Malapit. Mababa yung araw. Hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-explain sa inyo. Pero sa Philippines, pag tinitignan namin yung araw,
Gusto mo umikot dyan?
malayo siya.
Ikot ka dyan o dito ka?
Pero, pagdating dito, ang lapit ng araw. So, maybe we can try to check in on that hotel the next time. Or
The next time in the Baya.
well, but Estoril is very nice. I like it. No? So, eto, naglalakad na kami. Ito yung lalakaran namin, guys. Look at that. 12 minutes walk, maybe 15 kasi mahigsi yung legs ko. And now, ayan. Lalakad kami, mainit. So, wala naman akong may kwento kasi ito lang talaga yung nangyayari sa amin today. And for the past few days, wala halos kaming ginagawa. Wala kami halos iniisip. Vlog lang. This part of the road, this is Atlantic Ocean, guys. So, I'm amazed to see and to take a bath on this kind of nature.
Look at that.
And look at that, someone is there. I don't know if you can see, but someone is there to have some sun and meditation. Meditation is nice here, right? Oh my god. That looks awesome, Bob. It's kind of meditating, guys. Guys, yun yung Atlantic Ocean. Ganong kaganda. Diba? How beautiful is the Atlantic Ocean. Very beautiful. If makikita nyo siya sa personal, it's worth it. Punta na kayong Portugal. Nice. What? Yan, ganyan. Ang
Ako
ganda.
cameraman eh.
Diba?
Go.
Ang ganda. Hi. Ito na. Guys, nandito na kami sa Devil's Mouth. Look how beautiful the creature of this Devil's Mouth. Hindi tayo pwedeng pumunta sa ilalim kasi it's too dangerous. So, once again, this is Atlantic Ocean. Look how beautiful this kind of nature. I love it. I do. So I was in love, guys. I'm in love in Portugal. Really. So guys, bababa tayo para makita natin yung sea, yung mas malapit. But this is what can you see here in the Devil's Eye part. Nature will never fail you. May nag-fishing. Guys, may nag-fishing. Let's see. Let's check. Pababa siya. So, ayan. Meron siyang, very nice. Oh, so beautiful. Too beautiful. Look at that, guys. Oh, beautiful. The first look here. I-zoom ko kayo. Like that. Sana kasama ko kayo dito para makita kung gaano kaganda. May nagpi-fishing sa baba. Look, may nagpi-fishing. We have a fisherman down. Oh, look at that. Look at that. How wonderful is this? Pababa dito. Baba tayo. Yeah. Look at this. Oh, look at those fishermen. Here, structures. I'm so in love. Look at that. Hahamakin ang lahat para sa YouTube. Look at that. Hahamakin ang lahat para sa YouTube. Look at that. Trailing. Oh, ito yung inikit natin, guys. Here, that. We're here. Oh my god. Going there, guys. Beautiful, 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 beautiful. And they getting a fish. How lucky I am. Tayo, papakita ko ulit sa inyo kung gaano kaganda ang view ko. So unreal. Grabe. Ang init. Pero for sure worth it. We're going to eat dinner, lunch. I don't know. But yeah, we'll see you at the restaurant. Beautiful. This nature, I'm so in love. So in love. Forever in love. Nice. It's like an hiking, you know. We can eat here in Inferno. So, nandito kami ngayon sa mall para kumain ng dinner. Bob has a wok noodles and I have a Thai rice.
Dinner and lunch.
This is dinner and lunch. So, let's eat, guys. Sawa na ako sa seafood. So, yesterday was a very nice dinner, right?
Yeah.
Is it the piri-piri is good? The chicken piri-piri. I got beef, Bob got chicken. I miss rice. Do you miss rice?
This good.
We're the same.
The same?
Teriyaki. Very good. Good. Parang gusto kong mag-adobo pagdating. Adobo na may broccoli, na may or green beans. You know? But we still have noodles. But for sure, we're going to have some. We're going to the beach later, right?
You need to wait the sunset. Sunset view.
So, yeah. This is the trip na hindi ko na-miss yung bahay namin. Right? Well, this is the trip na sobrang gusto. What is the relax?
Sobrang relax.
Yung hindi namin kailangan pumunta sa ganito, sa ganyan, na city, ganito, ganyan. Very good. I want to go here again this year, but I don't know if we have money. If I have to choose to go anywhere, I would choose Portugal. Maybe at the south. Para malaman namin kung in the future, kung magkakaroon kami ng family, or kung kami lang ibang tatanda, alam namin kung saan kami lagi pupunta, no? If it is south or north of Portugal. Yan ha, sobrang open namin sa life namin sa inyo. Super. So guys, bibili kami ng sardinas. Ito yun. Ito yung sardinas na masarap dito. Minerva. Kung pupunta kayong Portugal, ito, masarap to. I promise you. This. So, bibili kami pang pasalubong at pang sa amin. Nandito kami sa grocery store pala. Ang grocery store ang pangalan is Continental. Something Bob. Continente. Grocery store here in Portugal. So guys, kami po ay uuwi na ng hotel. This is Bobby. Mamili kami. So ngayon naghihintay na kami ng boat. Papunta pa lang siya. So, 8 minutes more sa paghahantay. Look at my hair. Is it nice, Bobby? I look like what? I look like what?
Sim, dá pra custar. Vai atravessa de baixo, atravessa de cima.
It's getting lighter, no?
Onde está a porta, vai.
Ang sakit ng ulo ko. Baka kasi hindi ako natutunawan sa dami ng kinakain ko.
Sa dami ng kinain.
I think. Kain lang kami talaga ng kain dito. Talagang total holiday. So mamaya sama ko kayo sa sunset namin ni Bob. watching the sunset in Portugal with the Atlantic Ocean. That's very special. I find it special kasi sino ba naman kami para masaksihan yun? Diba? So, guys, nandito na kami sa hotel. Just in, like, 10 minutes ago. Naglagay ako ng menthol kasi gusto ko ma-burp. Ngayon, mag-i-impake kami kasi para mamaya matutulog na lang kami. At tomorrow, ang ganda talaga ng, wait. Ang ganda talaga ng pagkakagupit sa akin, guys. Look. Ang ganda ng layer niya. I'm so happy. Like that, like that. So, pag naka-Dyson ako, maganda na yung buhok ko. I'm happy with that. Hindi ko na to paliliguan tomorrow. Babing. Pag-uwi na lang. So, oh, sorry. Sorry. Ikakat ko na lang yun. So, we're happy, we're happy, we're happy. Ang sweet ni Bob. Grabe, napaka-sweet. Napaka-sweet. Super. Napaka-sweet. So, in this holiday, sobrang masaya kami. Sobrang na-relax kami. The first time in our holiday, again, na hindi namin na-miss ang bahay namin at ang Netherlands. With this weather, with these people, with this place, so worth it to go through again. If you are living in Europe, I recommend, guys, to spend 8 days in Portugal. Really worth it. Really relax. Really, it's nice to have the time that you want to meditate, to go back and reflect on what you've been through in 10 years, like us, or 11 years. So, very, very worth it dito. Yeah, I'm happy with this. Especially this hotel. This Hotel Londres in Cascais, Estoril. So, I'm happy, happy, happy. Yun lang yung masasabi ko. Even if I go back to reality, I'm very happy na ginawa ko to. Walang pagsisisi. Even it's expensive, wala akong pagsisisi. So, guys, later, punta tayong sunset viewing sa beach. So, guys, we're going and we're heading to the sunset. It's still 2 hours, but doon na kami ni Bob uupo. Gusto niyang magbasa ng kanyang paa para sa dagat. Yan, kahit malamig, magbababad si Bob. Nice time in Cascais. Bobby, ano masasabi mo na nagbakasyon ka ng mahaba? Tagal naman sumagot.
Siyempre nag-isip ako.
Tagal niya sumagot, guys. Medyo malamig na actually, no?
May hangin eh.
Yeah. Tignan mo naman yung dagat. Kung nasan kami. Guys, ayun. Nakita mo ba? Nakita mo ba? So, hi! Yan, ganyan. Ganyan ang masarap na lakad. So guys, wala palang sunset kasi nasa kabila yung sunset. So, punta na lang kami dito, tapos uwi na rin.
Lulusong lang.
Lulusong lang ng ilang beses for Bob. Malamig na kaya naganto ko. There. Ow, 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 ow. There's something in my feet. There's a stone in my... Kaya ganong kalakas yung alon, guys. Look at that. Yeah. Yeah.
Ha?
Yeah.
Oh.
Look at that.
Yung slipper ko ha.
Akin na yan. So, bye Bob. For one last time. Kasi, grabe na lakas ng alon. As in. Look at that. For one last time. Bye Portugal. See you next year. For sure it's going to be next year. I want to go next month, but I don't think so. Yeah, because it's expensive here. If it is season, July, August, it's really expensive in Portugal. But this time, we can afford still to stay at least 8 days here in Portugal. Let's wait and see. Bob, that small people, that small one.
Bibili ako ng beche. Bibili ka beche. Ikaw, wala pong tao.
Mag-o, pag-alin mo. Ako siguro aperol.
Aperol ka? Ubusin mo.
Oh